Bro. Kia chưa té mà. Tầm bài hơi. We got some cemented rice. Got cemented rice. Look at the view behind me. But that's a bit more. Go, let's go. Ôi, cái đầu. Rồi đó kia lại mà đo một nắng ở thọt nơi cái này cà phê rồi. So this is the sunset. Look at how beautiful it is, bro. I don't know what I'm going to talk about, but this is my day one. Spending time at cafe and beach and the sunset. That's it. Move on to the next day. Totally just woke up. It's been 8 o'clock or something, and today we got, I don't know if we have a lot of activity today because I feel like I want to stay home or just walk. I don't know, maybe walk. And yeah, let's see how it goes, and maybe I'm going to grab some coffee at a coffee shop again. Let's see. And now we let go to eat breakfast. Okay, let's go. nơi trên này gặp búa chim mong mình tạm lấy mong mùi còn này còn yeah đang tao mong mẹ tao với tế bàn tay trong nghìn trôi chiêu là nồng nã để sao này nhà đái không đưa chị ở sớm miền một tế chân vai thì nhóm thời chiêu là phải thì chụp tích vào nhóm tao với hi yes let's enjoy the sunset and I will capture some footage for you guys to see also just me with my bike today I'm so lonely guys I'm so fucking lonely khơi
đi anh đi học kho này bạn sẽ học kho rồi chắc chưa đủ đấy nó nông không này
Oreo
con đá mới sao
Oreo
แต่ในวิตูปิดแล้วมีจอโอ้นี่ใส่กระบายแหละนี่กระบายแหละ
สบายไม่ได้นะสลับสบายหรอ
แต่ตัวเอาถนนของการไปช็อปไปสะอาดเนี่ย
มันตาม
จังแรนเอามือเหลือดอดได้
แอดแชร์แบบซามูไร
จุ๊บปั๊บปี้
my god ซามูไร
เชื่อเนอะว่านั่นคือใช้ทอปได้น่ะ
เนี่ยไปนี่คือเจนกิโลใส่ใจ
ใช้ทอปได้
โรเมื่อวานทำไมมั้ง
ร้อง
มานี่เกรด
จุดทุ่มป่ะไม่เอาเหมือนกัน
น่าเหมือนเต้นี่แต่กัดกอมันปลาจำปาดิมั้งไม่ได้นี่สลิกมากอ่ะนี่อันนี้สลิกมากอ่ะ
ชื่อสำหรับไอ้
ยูทูบแบนอ่ะ
แบนขาย
rồi lại chinh phì tên ấy
ต่อเป็นไอ้บัน
lỡ dân chỉ con
เนี่ย
nè khai nhát nè hôm màn lôi Hong Kong hiện Hong Kong hay gì sao em nào hiện Hong Kong
ร้อยมาซ้ายมาเสียซ้ายมา
tại tên này rồi chứ
เราส้มแรด
bà chẳng bờ với chó là chao
อาหารจอดอ่ะ
hay bật phê mày cả
ก้าดไม่ไหนไม่ได้
Red ơi bây giờ đọc khó khăn lắm chó chó à
วิ่งถึงนี่แอบเลยไม่
nè nè đừng có rồi
เดี๋ยวไปจอดนะ
nhổ tay chao vào rồi khịch quá
không mà khịch đó có một này mai này mình tầm trôi tập ta hai linh này thôi nhở rồi chia rồi ta
Staring out the window on a cloudy morning, trying to lick our wounds while the tea is swarming. Sometimes it's like a bird that's never shipped out.
ឥឡូវយើងនៅកន្លែងចូលតុកទឹកតាមផ្លូវទៅពេញវិញអត់មានធ្វើទេឥឡូវញ៉ាំបាយហើយ so gotta go get some drink again. I'm just back home, guys. I'm very excited after all the activity that I do. It's pretty fun actually. I just got home and I bought some milk for drink. And that's all, guys. Thanks so much for watching my videos. If you like this video, please like and comment. Subscribe also to support my channel. Thank you, guys. I hope you enjoy your day. Thank you, guys. Bye.